Hi guys, my name is Lily and today I am going to do a review on these two boxes right here that I got from Influenster. So I have the opportunity of not getting just one, but two of these bad boys. I actually have a Laura Mercier box for a little minute, but I never was able to do a review because of work. But you know, since the Rimmel London one came in today, I was just like, you know what, let's just knock it out today. Let's just kill two birds with one freaking stone. The Laura Mercier one is the Pure Canvas Primer. They gave me two of them. So they actually gave me the hydrating as well as the blurring primers. The hydrating one is silicone free. It extends makeup wear, hydrates immediately and over time. So this one is for people who have very dry skin. I do sometimes, but sometimes it's moisturized. But when it comes to makeup, my skin just loves to freaking dry up. And then the blurring is silicone free, it extends makeup wear, and it has an instant mattifying filter. I had actually wore this to a live event, which was WWE SmackDown. I am into wrestling, guys. Hence my actual YouTube. And I wore this, and when I tell you guys, like, instantly I felt like the matte, but my face didn't feel like it was dying, or if it was freaking, if I had a bunch of freaking makeup on. Like, this junk was legit. And I, like, seriously guys, when it comes to primers and makeup, I am very picky because my skin is so sensitive. I mean, I did break out like once. That's better than what I used to, and I had this on for like hours. So yeah, so what I'm actually going to try to do is actually put one on one side, the other on the other, so you guys could actually see the difference as to what these actually do to your face and how it actually looks with my foundation. And the foundation I'm actually going to use is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it is in the shade of 370. Now for the jellies, I have the Bounce and Shine Rimmel Jelly Face Collection. I have the jelly highlighter, the jelly bronzer, and then the jelly blush. I actually haven't opened these yet. This is what the packaging looks. That is the highlighter. This is the blush. And then this is the bronzer. So the first primer that I'm using is the blurring one. So I'm going to use this one on this side just because I've already used it and pretty much know how it is. It looks more like a lotion and not like, you know, how primers look. It already has like this matte feel, which I really like. I like that it has this matte feel. Now we're gonna do the other side with the hydrating and see how that feels. But no way am I a beauty expert. It feels good. And this is supposed to keep your skin hydrated all day. On to putting on my foundation, and ignore the way I put it on. For some odd reason, I have no clue where my sponges are for my makeup, so I've just been winging it with this Kat Von D freaking brush. And I actually got this from Influencer too, so it's kind of dope. I need to find that freaking sponge. Like, this is not acceptable. this side, it is matted. So even with my camera in the ring light, it just automatically looks matted. On this side, you see like a little dewy, like it's giving this little glowy dewy look. Yo, that is crazy. What is you doing right now? So we're gonna actually open the jellies, because I really want to see how this actually looks, because they kind of look cute in the package. So fire on last. So jeez, this world, do they not want me to use it? What's going on? This is horrible. This is I think it's not meant for me to use it at this point. I'm burning up. This freaking ring light is freaking bold. Like, dang. Okay, that one opened. That was no problem. Who freaking screw this is on? I want to complain. Cause this is ridiculous. This should not be this hard. Oh, they'll be freaking break a sweat. Still no love. Hate me, what much you hate me, you hate me. Maybe that worked. I lied. I'm so annoyed. Well, I wanted to show you guys the bronzer. I wonder if they could reach out to me and be like, because you're struggling, we're just gonna provide you with a whole new one, you know, the one that you can actually open, because this edge is not opening to save my freaking life. While I'm struggling, this is in the color Paradise, and I want to go to Paradise, but Paradise isn't letting me go. So right now I'm opening up the blush, the one I actually could get open. It's all the shade, all the freaking. That is what it looks like. And this is in the color Melon Madness. This is what I'm working with. And that's the Melon Madness. This is cute. It's not too pink. It kind of gives me like a shimmery shine. Or like, let's say if I had highlighter on. I don't know if you guys can really see the blush, but the blush is on there. So the highlighter is actually spilling out. It is called Popping Bottles, and it's very pretty. It looks like a gold type of highlighter. Oh. I don't put my highlighter on like this either, so don't judge me. It's already on my freaking hand. Y'all, I'm shook. Yo, you got to, if you placing this on, you have to be careful. I was not expecting that. Holy crap. This is placed in all the wrong places too. I'm sorry, I am in love with this highlighter. Oh my gosh, this is so much. This is too much. This is too much. Honestly, you might have to use your freaking finger for this highlighter. Like, oh my gosh, this is about to be my favorite highlighter. That is a lot of freaking highlighter, dude. And I didn't even put a lot on. Like, I didn't put a lot on. Like, you have to, I don't think you can use a brush with the highlighter just because. But I wish I could see how the bronzer is, cause just from the freaking blush and the highlighter, I am in love. Like, okay, Rimmel, I definitely recommend everybody go out and get that. And let me actually see how much these are. Okay, so it just depends on where you get it. So you get it from Walmart, it'll be $7.97. You can get it from CVS, it'll be $10.99, or you get it from Amazon, it'll be $12.72. The bronzer will be, if you get it from Amazon, it'll be $12.30, CVS $10.99, and actually for Walmart, it's currently out of stock. Now for the blush, Amazon is 12.01 and Walmart is $6.97. And as for this is actually $38. Thank you guys for watching and watching me struggle. Leave a comment down below. Tell me if you actually tried this stuff. Tell me if you actually enjoyed watching me struggle, because I definitely didn't enjoy it. I tried. Sis, I tried. Give this video a thumbs up for me trying. Subscribe, because I'm gonna have more videos coming, and share this video to anyone you think needs it, and definitely turn on the post notifications, because you should. Anyways, I'm gone. Bye.